In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit permissions on your Trello board. So let's dive in. First, open your web browser and go to Trello.com. You can log in with your Trello account, or if you prefer, use your Google account for quicker access. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Trello dashboard. From here, go to the Workspaces section on the left side where you'll see all your boards. Select the board you want to update permissions for. Inside the board, look at the top right corner and click on the Share button. You'll now see a list of members who have access to the board. Next to each member's name, there's a drop-down menu that allows you to set their role. Trello gives you 3 options. Admin has full control over the board and its settings. Member is for people who contribute to the board, and Observer is a limited role mostly for viewing with minimal interaction. Choose the role that best fits each person's responsibilities. This way, you can expand or limit what members are allowed to do, which keeps your board secure and your workflow organized. And that's it. You've now learned how to edit permissions on your Trello board. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Trello guides and tips.